Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. And in today's video we're going to be doing a in-depth curly hair routine. This is how my hair looks before, and yes, this is literally just like in the thumbnail. It looks like this. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Trying my best to like mask out the shower sounds. First, we're going to start off with the shampoo. My mom recently bought this. It is Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. It's like the first time we bought it. Me personally, I've never used it before, but originally I was using Tresemme. Past videos where I do like shower routines, you do see that I am using the Tresemme. In this video, we're going to be using Mielle. It is infused with biotin, which is really good for like trying to grow out your hair, and it encourages longer and healthier hair. Okay guys, I'm gonna take my hair out of this. Let's actually wet it first. Put it right on top of my head. Wait, so you're not supposed to put shampoo in your ends. So I always put shampoo up to like here. Kind of like gotta rub that in like so. Guys, look at my pretty nails. Actually, while I'm scrubbing my hair, insert a clip of my nails that I took earlier. I did get my nails done today by my mom. Thank you, Mom, when you're watching this. Love you, Queen. These are my natural nails, by the way. This is my biggest flex. Girl, this is my first time getting my natural nails done, like if they're tips. Now we're gonna wait for a while, and I'm gonna get back to y'all after a few when it's time to rinse out and then do my conditioner. I take the setting of it and I put it to the highest one. And usually after I put it to the highest one, I have to lower the heat. Then the heat intensifies by like
1,000.
Okay guys, so my hair is all wet now. Strengthening conditioner. Pretty much the same drill as the shampoo, so I just like, I didn't put as much conditioner because usually I mix my conditioners. I mix it with 2 conditioners. I really want my hair to be perfect for tomorrow. I'm gonna just like rake it through a little bit. So whatever conditioner I'm using, I always mix it with my 3-Minute Miracle Curls from Aussie. It has coconut and jojoba oil. Deep conditioner. I've had this for a very long time. Oh my gosh, it barely came out. Only adding to the ends. Kind of like rub it like this. Slightly massage it in. Now this is what we're working with. Now I let the conditioner sit. And so like now I'm going to finish up my shower. We're just going to finish up with brushing my teeth and stuff. And then when we get out, we're going to get into like what products I use. Now I'm going to finish up my routine. We're going to see me rinse it off, and we're going to go get straight into the products I'm going to be using. Okay guys, I just finished the other part of my shower routine, so now we're going to rinse off the conditioner. Squeezing out my hair. But so this is it like after I'm done washing it. These are the bang pieces I was talking about. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready, and please excuse how dry my face and my lips look. I did not moisturize those 2 yet, just because like the water from my hair just gets everywhere and then it just like mixes in and it feels bad. First we have this. It's Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. There's no parabens, no mineral oil, This is not tested on animals. Next we have Garnier. This is Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. We have Aussie Instant Freeze Sculpting Gel. Love this. And we have Suave Essentials Max Hold Mousse number 8 for body and lift. We have my brush, and this is the type of brush I use. And then we have this. It's good for like slicking down hair, and I'm gonna be using it as a comb. And we're actually gonna brush it out. So this is what it's looking like right now. First, I start off with the curl enhancing smoothie, and I basically just take like a good enough amount. Boom, you're just gonna take it, rub, and I pretty much put it everywhere, so I go like this. And then I use one hand for one side, pretty much just getting everywhere. I use the other hand for the other side, and I pretty much just like get all in there. Get like here, because like this is gonna be like my accent pieces. And then I use this, style my hair and wear it loose. This is more like how I style it when I want to do a style. Just let it curl out a little bit. This is how I pretty much get it like prepped if I wanted to plop it loose.
前方走，夜莺一样只为到仔细东来。
So yeah, guys, enough of that cringy editing, but this is pretty much like how it gets. Like just after a little bit with all that, and yeah. Running out of storage, and I do have to fix that. I'm gonna unlock it, push down, and lock it back. Put the gel in my curls because then when I wake up, they just look crazy. So boom, and make sure you get like a lot of oil, like all over your hair. I always put oil first, and then I put mousse. What I like to do with these curls is I like to finger curl them. Because for school, I used to leave the curls outside the bonnet. So yeah. And then I feel like if you have bangs, it's so cute when you do it like this because it just leaves like a frame and dimension on your face. So here's this side, all finger curls. The same thing on this side. Boom. And it looks like that.